Here at Switch for Good, we have done a lot to try and convince Starbucks to drop the plant milk upcharge in the United States. They've been a little resistant, so we wanted today to go to Starbucks locations to show people they can have free money. Yes, we're giving away cold hard cash to convince people to order that plant milk instead of cow's milk. We're giving people $1 each to pay for their plant milk.
Here you go. If you will order oat milk, I'll pay you to get the oat milk today.
Did you get milk in your coffee today?
I got non-dairy milk.
Woo! You give me free money.
Whatever!
No catch, I'm literally giving out money.
I'm gonna pay for you and for their tip. Because you got soy milk.
Does the right thing, right?
Yeah.
Thank y'all so much.
So thank you for ordering oat milk. Here's $2 for you.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you for doing it. Giving away dollars, people, to save the world outside. If you order plant milk with your drink, we're giving you free dollars. Free dollars. For real.
Any of the plant milks, they charge an extra 70 to 80 cents. You know they upcharge almost $1 for plant milk?
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Where's that?
They think they can get away with it, I guess.
Paying extra for plants are everywhere. Like,
There shouldn't be that upcharge because we need to have fairness both on menus and across the aisle when it comes to environmentally ethical practices.
You got a Starbucks today, but you didn't get any milk in your coffee.
I got it over there.
But did you get milk? You didn't get any milk in there, huh?
Why would you?
I can't drink anything with lactose. I'm lactose free.
I had more mucus in my throat, it just didn't feel like it was something I was supposed to be drinking.
And it just came on like all of a
It came
sudden?
on with IBS, things that I never ever thought. I was in the hospital for 3 weeks on IVs.
Why soy specifically?
Because it makes my tits bigger, they say.
Okay.